Hello everyone, my name is Kelly and welcome back to this piano series for beginners. Today we're going to be working on the right hand part of Ode to Joy. The song Ode to Joy is a very famous song composed by Beethoven. You may have heard it on TV or in a commercial or in a movie. So we're going to be working on the right hand today. We're going to go to the middle C position as usual. And here are our notes, C, D, E, F, G. You can do this on your piano as well. Just always make sure that you're using something that will come off like a dry erase marker or a pencil. Okay, we're going to put our right hand in the middle C position here, which just means that we put our thumb on C and we use each of these fingers on these 5 notes with our pinky ending up on a G. Here's what Ode to Joy sounds like. To play Ode to Joy, what we're going to do is we're going to start on the note E. And we're going to play these notes. E, E, F, G. And then we'll play G, F, E, D. So that's the first line. Let's try that again. E, E, F, G. And then G, F, E, D. The second line goes like this. C, C, D, E, E, D, D. Again, that's C, C, D, E, E, D, D. The last 2 Ds that we play are a little bit faster, and those are played with our pointer finger or number 2, finger number 2. So the first half sounds like this. You want to keep a steady rhythm throughout. These are all quarter notes. They're just like 1 beat each. Except for that ending part there where we do 2 quick notes. If you need to pause the video now to figure this out on your own, do so and then come back when you're ready. Hey, do you guys happen to know which Pokemon this is? If you know its name, leave a comment down in the comment section. Alright, that's the first half of Ode to Joy. The second half is almost exactly the same except for the last 3 notes. Here's the second half. We're going to go E, E, F, G, and then G, F, E, D again. And then the last bit goes C, C, D, E, D, C, C. Let's play all that again. E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, D, C, C. So the first time through we went E, D, D on the very end of the phrase, and on the second half, instead of going E, D, D, we play D, C, C. But it's the same rhythm. I'm going to do the whole song now in slow motion. If this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. Here's the 1-finger version. Awesome job! Something else that sounds kind of neat is if you change the sound of your keyboard to strings. I can do that on mine by holding this button and then pushing here. Amazing job, everyone. In the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to add the left hand to this song so that we can play this song with both hands. Thanks for following along today, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope that this video was helpful for your learning. Please check out the next video in this series because there's so much more to learn. Hey, do you know my name?